Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to start with legitimate recovery options. Make sure you own the device. Once done, locate the account email or phone number tied to the device and gather proof of purchase or ID in case support requests verification. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and at least 20% battery, because account recovery often requires waiting and multiple verification steps. These preparations speed up support interactions and reduce the chance of losing data. You should use the official account recovery or parental control reset flows rather than attempting workarounds. When possible, contact the account holder or administrator to authorize changes. This resolves most situations quickly. If self-recovery is needed, follow the app or platform's verified steps and be prepared to upload proof when support asks for it. These routes protect your data and comply with terms of service, so make sure to follow instructions carefully and retain any confirmation numbers you receive. Once support verifies ownership, follow their reset or reconfiguration instructions to remove or change app limits. This restores normal access without breaking rules. If recovery fails, the authorized fallback is a manufacturer or carrier-assisted reset that requires proof and support ticket validation. Make sure to back up data beforehand if possible. Troubleshooting tip: save timestamps, screenshots, and any support ticket ID. These help escalate the case and confirm what steps were attempted if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.